Welcome to lkitlearner Inkscape lesson series. In this tutorial, we're going to discuss the pen tool. For vector applications, pen tool is the most important tool. The designer's complete shape of his mind can be taken into the canvas by the pen tool. Pen tool in all software applications can be used to illustrate using a similar technique. The pen tool creates a line segment. The line connects by two nodes. Nodes have two properties: corner node and smooth node. Corner nodes can create by a single mouse click. When you right-click on canvas, the line segment ends the drawing. Smooth nodes create by mouse click and drag. The smooth node creates two bezier handles on both sides of the node. Using those, bezier handles can control the curviness and the direction. However, those handles are dependent on handles. Nodes bezier handles can independent using the Make Selected Nodes Corner tool. Corner nodes can convert to smooth nodes by Make Selected Node Smooth tool. Try your best to draw your shapes by the minimal number of nodes as much as possible. Press the Escape key to cancel the drawing. lkitlearner, your personal tutor. Follow us, like us, and subscribe us.